Hey, greetings from Haiti, everybody. Welcome to the second episode of my brand new vlogging series, Lakay Mwen. In this episode, we are heading to a rural area named Trou Gilot, where with our different partners, we have a reinforcement and sustainability project for that community. So fasten your seatbelt and let's get that day started. So before we get into anything, I would like to thank everybody who watched the first episode and got back to me. Really appreciate it, guys. Thank you. Without further ado, let me introduce myself. My name is Christian-Olivier. I am the owner of Haiti Drone Services, a company that specializes in aerial monitoring and surveying ranging from agriculture to urban planning. Right now, we are on the way to the community. See you guys soon. We are here on site right now in Trou Gilot, where the project is actually going to take place. The team is right here, everybody is right here. So we're walking towards the nursery where the IAM team is supervising the construction, where we're going to house 100,000 seedlings of various different crops. Let me introduce you to the IAM team. This is Gilbert Vito. This is Bernard Poitier. What's up, guys? Let's tell our audience who's watching us what this project is about.
Hi guys, with the support of our partner, TECHO, we're working to support about 60 families in their livelihoods, mostly in agriculture and livestock. And the whole idea that the people living here raise themselves out of extreme poverty and poverty by generating extra revenue through what they produce extra with the help of Moringa as a tutor to the agriculture that they've been doing already.
Let me introduce you to our other partner on this project. Her name is Patricia, okay, just like she said.
We started working in 2014 with the construction of houses. We came back after the Matthew. We built some emergency houses and then we decided to come back with a more integral development project: agriculture, professional training, housing, community infrastructures, and a community committee.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh la la la. Même la caille moi yo ti ba haïtien. Même la caille moi yo ti sabla moyen. Ba comprendre yo, ba comprendre yo. Même la caille moi yo ti ba haïtien. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.